What's up, kiddies? I'm Kyle Lindholm, and I'm here to use science to teach you what the ultimate sandwich is. Let's do it. Alright, now apparently the public access station that lent me this space evidently didn't give me enough space, so you'll have to do without seeing my glorious face. Alright, toddlers, first things first, you need to get your bread. Now, not only is bread the cornerstone of any great sandwich, but it's also a superfood that your body just goes cray-cray for. Oh, and it contains all these nutrients that your body needs to function, like vitamin B and minerals like iron. See, vitamin B helps regulate the energy you get from fats and carbohydrates, and iron is used in carrying oxygen throughout the body, which, last time I checked, is kind of important to the whole circulatory system thing. And I haven't even mentioned all the dietary fibers it has. That stuff is like superfood for your superfood. It helps combat obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. It even regulates your blood cholesterol levels. Alright, next you're gonna want to add some flavor to your sandwich, but let's not get too crazy here, so let's just keep it to a nice and bland vegetables. I'm going with some lettuce here, which is basically nature's way of saying that it knows how appealing leaves look to humans. Vegetables as a whole reduce the risk of acquiring cancer or heart diseases. It also reduces the risk of developing kidney stones and lowers your blood pressure. Vegetables are a source of several underconsumed nutrients like potassium, dietary fibers, vitamin A, and vitamin C. And you want to get your vitamin A in because that keeps your skin healthy and helps you fight against infections. Your best options for vegetables are lima beans, potatoes, spinach, and my main home sliced lettuce, which are all high in fiber. Alright, now let's move on to the manliest food group of all, fruit. Now, everything the vegetable can do, the fruit can do better. It also protects against cancers, heart disease, lowers your blood pressure, reduces the risk of developing kidney stones, and reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Fruits high in potassium, like bananas, peaches, and apricots, combat bone loss. Fruit also has all of those underconsumed vitamins like vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber. Vitamin C is especially prevalent in fruits, and they're crucial for body tissue repair and growth. Fruits are also chock full of fiber, but that's only when we eat the whole thing. Fruit juices have little to no fiber. Now on to an even manlier food group, dairy. Now if you're like me, and your life dream is to become a human adaptation of the Hulk, then dairy is the way to go. Dairy is a fantastic source of calcium, which helps with that bone mass. But if you still aren't satisfied with your superhuman antics, then I'll have you know that dairy also reduces the risk of acquiring osteoporosis, cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, and it lowers your blood pressure. Now, no sandwich is complete without the endgame of all meals, protein. Now it's worth noting that not all protein-rich foods are meat. Dry beans, peas, eggs, nuts, and seeds are all sources of any nutrients that come from meat. These nutrients include protein, of course, vitamin B, vitamin E, iron, zinc, and magnesium. Vitamin B found in proteins are special. They also play a vital role in the function of the nervous system and the production of red blood cells. Alright, bam, you've got your ultimate sandwich. Now that your sandwich has become an independent and healthy nation on your plate, it's time to learn about the national enemy of the Sandwich Republic, empty calories. Empty calories are calories added to food that provides little to no nutrients and are split into two categories of rebel scum: sugars and solid fats. Solid fats are fats that stay solid at room temperatures, like butter and beef flavoring. Psh, staying solid at room temperature, even I can do that. Added sugars are appropriately named because they're sugars and syrups that are added while food is being processed. Your friend's pizza, soda, energy drinks, fruit drinks, cakes, bacon, all contain either solid fats or added sugars. These are all what could be called empty calorie foods, but not all foods that contain rebel scum are completely devoid of nutrients. Some foods, like the cheese I put into our ultimate sandwich, contain solid fats or sugars as a means of holding them together or providing an extra boost of energy. Small amounts of empty calories can be healthy. It's just important to use them in moderation, lest a rebellion of trans fats breaks out. Now, if you're like me and have no idea what you're going to eat next, let me give you some pointers. First off, go whole grain. Whole grain is for winners. When you go on that vegetable shopping spree, go for the frozen vegetables and just nuke them in the microwave. It's a nutrients explosion. Protein, the leaner the better. Or just eat beans and seeds like a baseball player or something. Dairy? Go soy milk all the way. Soy milk is for winners. As long as they're fresh, in a solid form, you can't really go wrong with fruits. So, I suggest just putting bowls of them everywhere in your house. Your house should be absolutely plagued with bowls of fruit. Thank you for your time.